Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com, join for free today, and start advertising for free. Okay, I got up into Diamond 3. I actually got all the way to Diamond 2, then got beat back down. But I've got 45 seconds here, so we're going to go ahead and look at the daily rewards. Now, even though I got into Diamond, I'm not clear if I'm going to only be getting gold rewards because people keep saying that depending on what you were in at the end of last season is what your chests are based off of. I don't know. I guess it don't matter. It is what it is. But, whether I know that or not. So we're going to find out here, though. I got 11. I kind of changed my strategy again. So I'll hit on that, show you the numbers, and we'll do that all after we open up here in about 10 seconds. I'll have to go out and reset it. Let's go over to here. And then I'm also going to show you what I bought yesterday. I was very happy. And here we go. Okay, you got 11, so let's go ahead and do it. And that I'm doing that. I'm trying to keep the start of my focus at about 9:30. It's 9:50. It's going to get later and later. I'll have to reset it. Private key error, assertion error, private key required. What in the world? I don't know. I've never seen that before. Okay, I got to find out what's going on. All right, I got it fixed. I cleared out my cache this morning and the rest of the stuff, so I had to redo it. So here we go. Here's the first one, a potion, 24 dark energy crystals, alchemy, another potion, 232 dark energy crystals, nice. So I guess I'm really banking is for high dark energy crystals to help with my rentals. And I'll tell you, for being a diamond or a gold, that's not impressive at all. Absolutely not. But everybody's saying that bronze is better, and they might be right. We'll find out. So let's go see what the new focus is. Oh, it was loading on its own. I didn't have to redo it. Okay, well, what's going on there? I've already claimed it. Yeah, it's acting real buggy this morning. I don't know. It might be my computer. I had a problem with that. I had to clear some stuff out. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. Let's try this. Try it one more time, and then I'll just come back later to see. But let me show you what I rented and what I bought. Okay, it's water. So now I know what my next. So let's go to my cards. And here's what I rented. Okay, rent it to me and gold. And I rented all gold. So here's my summoner. It was the dragon, was the focus yesterday. And I used this as my tank and this as the second in line. So a nice 1-2 punch. And then I filled these in. But then I also had, I owned other gold. That I could use depending on what element I attached it to. Because remember, dragon, you can attach to any element and then use both sets of cards. So I was able to, and I got some maxed out gold. I have, this is maxed out, the Pellicore Deceiver. I'm working on this guy and this summoner, and this guy I like to use. I got him maxed out, which probably everybody does. I mean, God, they're 40 cents a gold card. But I have something else maxed out. Let me see if I can find it real quick. And I believe This one's almost maxed out. He's a good card. There he is right here, the Pellicor Bandit. Okay, so now let's go look at what I bought. It was an epic, and I was waiting for it to fall down into, I don't know why that red circle comes up. And it was I believe a dragon. And there it is. That dropped under $10 yesterday. And I picked that up max. I was waiting for that. I was watching it all. It fell from 20. It's probably even lower today. Everything's lower today. In fact, let's go check, and then we'll look at the numbers. And then I'll tell you about the new strategy that I'm going to try to do, and that will be it. This is not financial advice. This is me on risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join on any of the links below. So let's go to all maxed level. And remember, every other day I'm putting in $10. I know that's not a realistic thing that everybody can do, but it's dollar cost averaging a natural way, and it's showing people all you got to do is take away what I'm putting in, and it will show you a way you can do it. You can substitute it with any number, $5, $10, whatever you can afford, or nothing. You don't have to put any money in other than the spell book. But why is that? Oh, I got it on the price at the lowest. Definitely can't afford those. Okay, here we go. So I'm waiting for the day where I can get 3 maxed out cards for under $10. But the prices are just too good to pass up right now. Might even go lower. And my numbers are horrible. Yeah, well, everything is. So I've got all these, so nothing's fallen under 10. And yeah, here she is. And I got it at $9.90, and it's still at $9.90. There's 14 left, but I don't know if that's 14,990, but whatever. But that's an epic that's dropped below $10. And this guy's almost dropped below 10. And let's see what he is. He's I believe, he's a common. So that's kind of expensive, but he's new, because you should be getting him for about $4. But there's 94,000 in. But look at this legendary coming down. All right, did it again. But anyway, you get the picture of what I'm trying to do. And when there's nothing under 10 for the maxes, then I go to gold or I go to legendaries. That's pretty much been my strategy. But this is a legendary that's coming. I picked up one of these the other day for under 10. It's back up to $12.50. But this is getting close. I will definitely I've got one already maxed out. I will definitely pick them up under a legendary, under $10 maxed out. I'll pick those up all day long. Look at this, 14.40. So they're getting close. All right, let's go look at my numbers. I pretty much, if you noticed, I'm back up to the DEC that I started with, excuse me, yesterday at 3,900. So I kind of broke even, which is awesome for renting, because that's what I do. And let's go look at the peak months. Look how my numbers have plummeted. I'm down to 763 asset value, down from 1,100 just a few days ago. But my collection power has gone up. And let's go look at the numbers. And here they are right here. So today's the 13th of June. Here's the rules I go by. Day 162, the packs I've bought over the last 6 months. Every other day I put in $10. So I actually put this in yesterday, and tomorrow I put in another one. So every 2 days. But I don't count it till an even day right now, or an odd day. So $934 is what I've got out of pocket. Then here's the numbers that I keep a record of. Starting February 7th, I've only missed 2 days. I'll go slow. You can pause it to check out any of the numbers that you'd like. I think these are all the important numbers, but keeping it simplified. But here we are on the 13th, $764 asset value, down from, like I said, 1,020 just the other day. 172 in the box, 172 cards owned, 5770 in the box, 174,467 collection power, $68 of free SPS. That's an all-time low. I think it's down to 5 cents today. 81, negative 81. That's a new all-time negative after I went to negative 49 back on the 12th of May. But do you see a pattern? A pattern starting to form. The 12th of May, the 12th of June. It's a month-to-month. I don't know how to read that, what that means. Let's go to the 12th. Yeah, I'm getting all-time lows right around the 12th of every month. See, this is why it's good to have data. Now, it didn't happen here in March, but for the last 3 months, the 12th has been a low spot in every single month. It's a day later, the 13th. So, if that's a clue, that's when you want to be buying, I guess, would be the 12th or the 13th of every month. So maybe save up over here and don't buy. I'm dollar cost averaging anyway, so it don't matter. Okay, so my new strategy that I just developed this morning is I'm going to still use the gold and alpha, bravo, all that stuff to get the percent, but I'm going to build up my capture rate back up to 100, which means I'm going to limit the number of chests I win. So I'll probably stop at 10 like I did today. I stopped at 11. The reason is I'm seeing people, and I do the math, instead of 12,000, SP, I'll get 36,000 on every victory. And so if I can keep which was true, has always been true, if you can keep your capture rate up above 75%, you're going to do a lot better and have to battle less and probably get more chest. But in order for me to stay up, I could go to 0 and still get about 10,000. But in order to stay up to 100, you're going to have to limit the number of battles you do. Just mathematically, because you can't win every one. At least I can. If you did, you probably can get 20, 30. But instead, I'm winning like on average 1 in every 2-3 battles, maybe 1 in every 2.5 battles type statistic. So again, it's not that anything's right or wrong in this platform. There's just which way you want to go, which strategy do you want to implement, and that's the biggest thing. So let's look real quick at the dashboard, and then I'll call it a day. And we'll do 7 days. Transactions have gone up. Good. Battles are going up. Good. It's getting towards the end of the season and people are coming back. It plummeted again from 160 to 130. That's 30,000 people in one day, but it's back up to 161 for the daily average players. Our daily average is up a little bit. So things are coming up. Even though things have gone down, things are coming up in other areas. Spell books have gone up a little bit. It's going up here in the market. Flat line on the market cap. That's going to be going down because of the price of SPS. Token prices are down, way down. Today it's 0.056. That's an all-time low. DEC's all-time low probably. I haven't really followed DEC. And yeah, wow. Okay, well, there it is. Real quick, let's check out YouTube comments. Gathering the Magic. Nice video. Got a great reward yesterday on my new bronze account. Not interested in a node because I am not giving up my SPS at today's cheap prices. Hope your daily grind is going well. Yeah, I agree with that. Not today anyway. I'm saying if SPS went at moon before the end of the year, remember, the further things go down, it's if what we think is going to happen and hope happen does, it's going to moon. And that's what's always happened in the past in these markets. Hope your daily grind is going well. Go check him out, Gathering the Magic. He's doing short, like 1-2 minute videos on his rewards, and he's in the bronze and silver levels. And I'm using him to compare what I'm getting, like in diamond. He's probably going to beat what I got today, and I'm in diamond. So, like they've been saying, is that a problem that they're going to fix? Is that the way it's going to be from now on? Did I mess up by going into diamond? Should I have started to head down to bronze. Let's go to here. There's the 30 daily chest, 150 chest max on each one. Capture rate, gold cards, Alpha Bravo promo, guild, and win streak. Those are the bonuses. That's how you're going to overcome that capture rate. So here's who you want to go check out: Ashley NFT Gaming, Bulldog 1206, Infidel 112, or Dwayne, or no, Infidel 12. I've been saying 112. Infidel 12 or Dwayne Cunningham. Luke plays to earn. Walking Keys and Gank and Walking Keys. Gathering the Magic. Splinterlands TV on Twitch. And weekly AMA on every Monday. That's pretty cool. The biggest thing we all got is time. How much time do you have? I usually watch these as I'm playing the game. That's how I get it in, among other things. And I think every Monday's the AMA, but I never watch that. I usually wait for one of these guys to, or girls, to make a video of it. And then I also get in the mail, I get a summary of what happened. So there we are for today. Again, please like and subscribe. Join the links below. Appreciate y'all and have a nice day.